Hello, you guys. We're starting a Lishi series. That's going to be the first one. So hopefully teach you guys how to do those Lishis. This time we're going to do the Lishi CY24, which is my probably favorite. Um, I've been using it probably many times by now. So the way I like to do that, I would pick it counterclockwise. So instead of doing it like this and bending down, I'm just going to stand up and do it in the other side. So first we're going to place the Lishi all the way inside. We're just going to make sure it's all the way in. Then we're going to take the hand and we're just going to pick this part, okay, which we're going to call the tension. So we're just going to give it tension going upwards. And then we're going to take this piece and we're going to go about in every space. So those are the spaces between 2 to 8. And the side that we are picking is opposite than where the number shows up at. So we're going to go by the numbers and we're going to go down the first one. And we can see if we're laying it on and it's springy like that, we're going to let it go. We're going to look for something that looks like this. Okay, so this one is springy as well, so we're going to let it go. Like this. So we're on number 5 and we're just laying it on. And as you can see here, if I'm laying it down, it springs backwards. So on the number 5, if I'm lifting it up, it doesn't spring at all. So if it doesn't spring, we're just going to pick it while doing a tension. Then the next one, number 6, as you can see, is laying on it. So we're just going to pick it. Number 7 has a small spring into it, so we're just going to let it go. And we're moving to 8. 8 does not spring at all, so we're just going to let it pick, and we are in pick. So after we unpick, we're just going to keep it holding, and now we're going to read the depth. So when we are in pick position, we're going to be able to read the depth. So we're going to go space by space, and we're going to take a note. Maybe we're going to have our phone ready, and we're going to start reading the depth. So number 2 space, the deep, it goes all the way to 3. As you can see, I'm taking that piece down and it's going to stop in number 3. So we're going to write to ourselves the 2 is 3. Moving to space number 3, we're going to lift it up. Again, we're doing the reading in the same position that we did the pick. So number 3, we're going to lift it all the way up and it stops in number 2. So we're going to write that space number 3 is 2. Moving next to 4, we're going to be cutting 1. 5 will be 2. 6 will be 2 as well. 7 will be 4. And 8 will be 2. So we're going to take a note and write that down. Okay, so after we got the cutting from the car, we're just going to connect the Dolphin. And we're going to go to vehicle database. And then we're going to go to Chrysler. We're going to choose the CY24 8 biddings. And now we're going to place all the spaces that we got. So we got question mark on the first one because we don't know that. And then we got 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2. So after we placed what we got from the car, which was 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, we're just going to press the find bidding. So we're just going to make sure there is a key code like that. So as you can see, the Condor gives you that there is a key code like that. And in this case, we have the key. So we know what's the key code. So as you can see, again, we didn't look at the key before, but this will be the perfect cut. So as you can see at the number, it's 4, which is the deepest one on the first space. And then you're moving to 3, and then there's just perfect. So it did a good job. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next Lishi video.